Hey! The greenhouse tour. Come this way. This is how I spend my time in the morning. Here's my growing stations. You can see I've got my hanging shelf over there. I've got plants coming in all around. So in the morning, I just give my guys a little squirt. I got my squirter. And give a bit of air, a bit more water for those that need it. And then on my bespoke rock shelf, I noticed that there's a little lizard that keeps eating things up here, so I'll have to move some of these plants. And today we go over to my planting station. If you come down this way, I'm sorting my seeds right now. This is my planting station. I'm going to get some more soil, potting soil today, and sort out my plants and see what's going in next. I know I need space for my carrots. They're going to be going in today. So, the house, have you stayed? Survival Victory Garden.